Mars was the symbol of war and blood to the ancient Romans. But for us, the red planet will be our second home. Volcanoes such as Olympus Mons, which is the largest volcano in the solar system with a height 3 times higher than Mount Everest, may hold the key to colonizing the red planet. Mars, unlike Earth, does not have a strong magnetosphere. The magnetosphere is the invisible protector that saves Earth from the harmful rays of sun. Without the magnetosphere, Earth will also turn into a dead planet. But when we are talking about colonizing Mars, it seems Martian cave entrances might be the answer to colonizing the red planet. The caves can offer the perfect radiation shelter for human settlements. Mars is a desolate, barren landscape. That has happened for a good reason. Mars has no thick atmosphere nor a magnetic field. The red planet's surface is bombarded daily by radiation up to 900 times higher than seen on Earth. However, some places are sheltered. Those sheltered places are cave entrances. These entrances stay shielded from the harmful radiation that normally hits Mars. This may make them suitable for future colonies as well as robotic expeditions looking for indications of extraterrestrial life. Martian caves are mostly underground. So basically, the best thing we can do to mitigate some hazards on Mars for humans is to get underground. But we must remember that the high-energy cosmic rays can penetrate a few meters into Martian regolith, spraying secondary radiation into whoever is unfortunate enough to be there. That is not the only problem when it comes to staying under the Martian surface. Oxidizing chemicals are abundant in the immediate surface environment, with strong ultraviolet light and occasionally pelted small meteorites that fall intact because Mars' thin atmosphere cannot break them. So, we must go deeper, but we do not need to dig deeper into shelters. Mars already has many of them. An entry to a deep cave will usually have a combination of severe shadowing and temperature characteristics that indicate a huge interior volume. The best location on Mars for the cave prospect appears to be part of the magnificent Tharsis Bulge. We can take advantage of the natural shelters already in place. Mars is dotted with deep pits, caves, and lava tube structures across the surface. Arsia Mons, Pavonis Mons, Archeas Mons are the 3 massive shield volcanoes in this region, with Olympus Mons actually sitting a little away from this region. Olympus Mons and other volcanoes went extinct about 15 million years ago, just after Earth's dinosaurs. A total of 1029 excellent cave possibilities have been discovered across the terrain. There are 349 possible lava tube skylights in 27 tubes spanning a total distance of 1250 kilometers, which are the entrances into these formations. Surprisingly, we appear to know where on Mars we should send human explorers if they are to have the highest chance of finding natural, necessary and permanent shelters. Further modeling work and more data from current and future missions would be necessary to advance in the evaluation of the habitability of these environments.